In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in Zoho campaigns. Having well-organized mailing lists is essential for effective email marketing, whether you're reaching out to current subscribers or cultivating new leads. We'll walk through the entire process, ensuring you know all the options available to you and how to tailor your lists to suit your needs. Let's begin by navigating to the Contacts tab within Zoho Campaigns. Once there, you'll want to locate the option labeled Manage Lists, or, in some versions, it might appear as List Management. This is your starting point for organizing all your contacts into specific groups that align with your marketing strategies. Now, as you glance over to the upper right corner, you should see the Create List button. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll start building your list from the ground up. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a name for your list. Choose something descriptive that reflects the purpose of the contacts you'll be managing here. For example, if you're setting up a list for people who have signed up for your regular updates, you might want to call it Newsletter Subscribers. After you've named your list, it's time to add contacts. Zoho Campaigns provides several flexible ways to do this. You can manually add each contact, which might be useful for smaller lists or for adding specific individuals one at a time. However, if you're working with a larger group, consider importing contacts. This can be done from various sources such as a file, perhaps a CSV or Excel spreadsheet. Zoho also allows integration with Zoho CRM, making it seamless if your contacts are already organized there. Furthermore, if you've been keeping your contacts in Google Sheets, you can easily import from there too. Take a moment to consider which method suits your current data organization best. If you're importing from a file or another platform like Zoho CRM, ensure your data is clean and formatted correctly to streamline the import process. Once you've added your contacts, whether manually or through an import, you'll have the backbone of your mailing list ready to go. It's always a good idea to review and confirm that the import was successful and that the right contacts are assigned to the right list. This can save you hassle down the line and ensure your email campaigns reach the intended audience. To recap, we've navigated to the Contacts tab, entered List Management, clicked on Create List, named our list appropriately, and added contacts either manually or by importing them. Each of these steps helps lay the foundation for an organized and efficient email campaign strategy. And there you have it, your list is created. With these lists, you can now focus on crafting personalized and targeted messages that will catch your readers' attention and enhance your marketing efforts.